By the end of this video, you will know how to connect make.com to LinkedIn. Start by signing in to make.com. From there, create a new scenario if you are starting from scratch, or open an existing scenario if you already have one set up. Either option works as long as you are inside the scenario where you want to use LinkedIn. Once the scenario editor is open, you are ready to add the app connection. Click the plus button to add a module. In the search field, type LinkedIn, then select the LinkedIn module you want to use. Make.com may show more than one LinkedIn-related action, so choose the one that matches what you plan to do in the scenario. The connection process begins the same way from the module settings. After the module is added, look for the connection field. Click Add to create a new connection. This opens the connection setup window, where you will define how make.com connects to your LinkedIn account. In the connection setup, find the connection type dropdown and select LinkedIn. This tells make.com which service you are connecting. If you see multiple options in the window, make sure LinkedIn is the one selected before you continue, since choosing a different service will send you through the wrong sign-in flow. Next, click into the connection name field and enter a name for this connection. Use a name that helps you recognize it later inside your account, especially if you manage more than one scenario or more than one LinkedIn connection. This name is only for identifying the connection in make.com. When the name is in place, click Save. Make.com will then prompt you to sign in to LinkedIn. Enter your LinkedIn account credentials through the LinkedIn sign-in window if you are not already signed in. If you are already logged in, LinkedIn may take you directly to the permissions screen instead. On the authorization screen, review the permissions that make.com is requesting. This is the step where LinkedIn asks whether you want to grant access to your account for the selected module. If the account shown is not the one you want to use, switch to the correct LinkedIn account before approving access. When everything looks right, click Allow or Authorize depending on the wording shown on your screen. After you approve access, LinkedIn returns you to make.com and a new connection should appear in the module. At this point, run a quick test by clicking Run Once. This verifies that the connection is active and that the module can reach your LinkedIn account. If the test completes without connection errors, click Save to keep the scenario changes, then switch the scenario on so it is active and ready to use. Your make.com scenario is now connected to LinkedIn and turned on.